So how do you set this to ferment? You can do two ways. Hey guys, I'm heading over to Whole Foods for a big grocery shopping for my upcoming YouTube videos. And I thought, why don't I take you with me to show you exactly what I'm picking for my gut healing recipes. So if you ever wondered what ends up in my cart, here it is. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. On this channel, I teach people how to heal their body with food. If this is something that resonates with you, like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can start doing it together. Okay, so definitely you're gonna need some red lentils. The original recipe is in my cookbook, so you can always get it from there, but this recipe, I'll show it to you. Alrighty, shopping is complete. All of these are gonna go into my 15 healing recipes that I'm going to be filming over the next few days. Great for your gut, digestion, liver, anti-inflammatory, you name it. And I'll be posting them in the next couple of weeks, so make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. Meanwhile, if you want to get a head start, I linked my Gut Rebalance cookbook below this video. It is full of healing recipes just like these.